Emma and Jack come to a beach for a holiday. They want to enjoy and relax. But many funny and strange things start happening. A monkey steals their things, a dog chases them in the water, and a talking parrot gives a warning about a lighthouse. At night, they see mysterious footprints and a dark shadow near the beach. Now, let's start the story. Soft waves touch the sand. Emma and Jack arrived at a beautiful beach resort. Emma smiled loudly. Finally, no office, no stress, only fun. Jack carried 5 heavy bags. I think these bags are the real stress. Emma laughed. A naughty monkey suddenly jumped on Jack's shoulder and stole his sunglasses. My glasses, Jack shouted. The monkey ran away. Emma laughed so hard that she almost fell into the sand. At night, they walked near the beach. A colorful parrot sat on a wooden sign. The parrot suddenly spoke. Don't go near the old lighthouse. Jack froze. Did that bird just talk? Emma laughed again. It's probably trained. But the parrot repeated slowly. Something watches the beach at night. Wind started blowing strongly. Jack looked nervous. The next morning, Emma wanted to ride a jet ski. Jack was scared. I think we should relax peacefully. Emma pulled him anyway. Suddenly, a huge dog named Bruno jumped into the water and chased their jet ski playfully. Jack screamed loudly. The dog is faster than us. Emma laughed while driving wildly. A big wave hit them. Splash! Both fell into the water. Tourists started laughing. That evening, Emma noticed strange footprints near their hotel room. The footprints looked unusual, almost like animal footprints mixed with human shoes. Jack whispered, I told you this beach is strange. Then the lights suddenly went out. Click. Darkness covered the hallway. Emma heard a strange sound outside. Scratch, scratch. Jack held a coconut like a weapon. I am ready. Emma rolled her eyes. You are holding a coconut. They saw a dark shadow running near the old lighthouse. Emma became curious. Let's follow it. Jack looked terrified. Or, we can stay alive instead? But Emma dragged him along. Near the lighthouse, they heard animal noises everywhere. Monkey sounds, dog barking, parrot screaming. Then suddenly, a hidden door opened inside the lighthouse. Creak. Inside the lighthouse, they found a secret room full of rescued animals. A kind old man appeared. He smiled softly. I protect injured animals here secretly. The talking parrot flew onto his shoulder. The old man explained. Some bad people wanted to catch these animals. So I scared tourists away from this place. Jack sighed with relief. So nobody is haunting the beach? The monkey suddenly stole Jack's hat again. Everyone laughed. The next morning, Emma and Jack helped feed the animals. Bruno the dog slept beside Jack. The monkey danced on the table. The parrot shouted loudly. Jack is scared. Jack is scared. Tourists started laughing again. Emma smiled. This was the best holiday ever. Jack nodded slowly. But next vacation, let's go somewhere without talking birds.